Hi everyone, this is my new Chanel Coco Rouge Bloom 118 Radiant Lip Shade, and this is my new purchase. I really like this color. After seeing this color, it was like, yeah, I need to get this one. So this is so much pigmented, and I will show you how it looks on my skin. So I will just try it out. Let's see. So after using this, I find it so nice. It's a bit moisturized because it is non-matte finish. It's shine, and it gives us really moisture lips. And I really like this color. It's so nice. It's my everyday use. I hope you like it. So thank you for watching. Bye.